You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. You're just the very one for me. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me, God. You're the one for me. Help me sing, come and sing it.
You are the reason I live.
Yes.
You're the one for me.
You're the one for me.
You're the one for me.
You are the reason, yes, you are.
You are the reason I live.
You are. You're the one. You're the one for me.
You're the one for me.
Why
should I be
when I'm surrounded by your love?
Surrounded by your love.
Your everlasting love. Why should I care?
Why should I care?
What people say, they don't know.
They don't
Know what you meant to me.
what you mean to me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okwe, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. What's popping? Alpha. This video is an update video of Unice Hair. You guys remember this hair? If you don't remember, insert look right here when I did the first review. I did the first review in January, but I've had this hair since December and we're in July, so I've had it for 7 months basically. And this hair is literally one of my favorites hair, and this is not my favorite. My favorite English is hard. My favorite hair or hairs, whatever. Sha is one of my favorite wigs, and it doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle. All this thing needs literally is just water. And if you're feeling generous, you can add conditioner and mousse, but then I literally just add water. If I want the wet look, I add the mousse to it. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I did 2 looks in the first review. I'm going to link it up here. I've worn this hair severally after. Of me wearing this hair, so you guys, I know that I have worn it. The hair is tired. I have manhandled it because I don't have a wig storage. I say that all the time. Mannequin heads are expensive and I don't have where to keep them, so I don't have that shelf thing, that pretty shelf that you can put all your wigs. Nothing like that. I just hang it at the back of the door. So the first time I made it, I didn't add an elastic band at the end, but now I have an elastic band just to like secure it even more. It's not tight or anything. The hair is still beautiful, still very full. I think I finished my 4 bundles that time, and I made the wig myself. You guys remember, I bleached the knots, everything myself. So I customized the frontal and all sorts myself too. This piece is opening, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you have been waiting for me, a lot of people really wanted this hair, but they were waiting for the second review just to be sure that nothing drastic has happened. Yes, nothing drastic has happened. I maintained the hair in black because I don't have any. Actually, I do have like 2 coily wigs that are black, so I might end up changing this hair into something else, but I don't know what color I'm going to change it, because coily hairs are either better as blonde or black, and I already have a blonde wig, so I don't know. I just really like this wig. When I went on TV, the vlog is going to be out very soon, if not already out before this video, I'm not sure, but then I got interviewed on Silverbed TV, and this was the hair I wore, and it was amazing. No tangle, no shading, nothing. Like, my hair is still in perfect condition. So if you really want to buy this hair, I think you should. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box. Yes, they deliver to Nigeria. I've not had any problem with them. You can either DM them, send them an email, whatever. You can order through AliExpress or through their website, anyone you want. all the links all the links and coupon codes and everything, discount codes, will be in the description box. I'm pretty sure that you guys know that I will not come here to tell you guys rubbish. If it is trash, it is trash. If it's not trash, it is not trash. This is not trash, and I've had it for 7 months. I'm sure that if it's trash under 7 months and the several times I've worn it, I would have known if it's trash. So yeah, so this hair has a thumbs up from me. All the details of the hair will be in the description box and in the other video, in case you want to see my initial, like how it came and everything. The curl pattern hasn't changed. In fact, it gets even more defined every time you add water to it, so I think it's cool. I don't have any issue with it. Easily parted, no wala. So yeah, we're still, see the length, it has not gotten shorter as a result of shading or anything. We're still very much in sync. And in, you guys remember, nah, this hair is mad. But yeah, I really can't remember the length or anything now, but I promise I'm going to leave every single detail in the description box. That's all. I just wanted to update you guys on this hair so that all the people that have been on my neck to post my updated review shall see it. 7 months after, my hair is still popping, so I think you should buy yours now. And yes, you guys know that they're always running some sort of sales. First timers always get sales, by the way, I mean discounts. So the links to all the discount thing will be in the description box. I've said it like 5 times already. Thank you guys for hanging with me. I love you guys. Don't forget to check the description box. Don't forget to watch the other video, the first initial review, so you can weigh your options. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, so, and leave a comment so I can know what you guys want to see again. I love you. Peace out. Kisses, deuces, bye.
I'll be a consistent parader with you as my disguise. Hey, relentless lover, you're something descriptive, what's couldn't describe. And you're all that matters to me. I'd rather have you than silver or gold. I watch your blessings unfold to me. I love just how you let it show. Falala, 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 Mojola Jesu, falala, falala, falala. Falala, 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 Mojola Jesu, falala, falala, falala. Oh, 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 oh. Press down, I'll be your key to release a noble sound, make melody. If you're pleased, just give me a chance to show you that I'm serious. And I'll take your hand, I'll make noise to draw the curious. Show them you're here with us, yeah. Used by you, cannot be used by you. Just an instrument, Lord. Yeah, I'll be your instrument, play me. Whoa, used by you. Whatever you want me to do, I'm your instrument, Lord. Whoa, instrument, play me. I don't have to worry, 'cause it's working for me. It's working for me, yeah. It's working for me. Oh, I don't have to worry, 'cause it's working for me. It's working for me, yeah. Oh, it's working for me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's 8:05 in the night. I am teared. very, very tired, but we got to do this. And I'm losing one. Okay, is this side? I don't have earring. I'm about to remove my assistant's head, but that's just all right. Wale jo, ko ye shine oju.